What's up guys, to another episode of Stauffer Garage. Today's video I'm going to be cleaning the minivan once again. We're going to be going through it inside and out, taking everything out and cleaning it, including the carpets, the seats, the windows, you name it. Any of the products that I am using in today's video are listed in the comments below, so be sure to check out those links. And if you haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications for new car cleaning tips and videos from yours truly. And if you like today's video, smash that like button. It makes me know that you guys enjoy these types of videos. So with further ado, let's jump right into it. First step, you gotta remove everything out of the vehicle because there's crap everywhere. And here's the trunk empty, full of yummy goodies. If anybody wants a snack, feel free to come on over to my house. We got lots of snacks for you. I feel like it's slightly amazing the amount of stuff that the rear of the van collects, guys. This is insane. I mean, my kids are not the cleanest individuals, obviously, as you can see here. We definitely got some things to work on with them. But yeah, let's see. We don't eat McDonald's. We're the perfect parents. That's not ours. To be honest, guys, there's not much you can do about that, especially when you got kids in the back seat and you're on a road trip and you're trying to feed them for several hours at a time. It happens. I'll get comments below, and I'm sure a couple of you guys will leave it that my kids are slobs, but guess what? Your kids will be too eventually. This is why whenever anybody wants to buy a kid's car, have kids, car with kids, you name it, leather's the only way to go, because if you don't, your cloth seats are going to be destroyed. But if you do have cloth seats, this is a shameless plug. Top corner, check out my deep clean your cloth car seats video. It'll help you out too. All right, next step, guys, we are almost done excavating. You can call it excavating at this point, there's so much crap in here. Highly recommend pulling out all the seats, especially if you have the opportunity to. It makes life so much easier. That way you can just kind of run through it like a train with your vacuum cleaners. Is this real life? Only one way to do this, guys. Snow shovel. Next recommendation I have is get some WeatherTech rubber floor mats. For any vehicle you have, even if you're an adult, especially during the wintertime. Next step, pull these out, and we're just gonna wash them off with a hose. It's never too late for a popsicle break. What I do for all my interior panels is I use this stuff called 303 Aerospace Protectant, and I put it in my own bottles that I bought from the store. But these areas right here where the seats are, you can see that there is stuff down there that the vacuum can't get. Pick up some toothbrushes from the dollar store for dirt cheap are the easiest thing to do, or you can get more advanced detailing brushes, but these work really well. But what you want to do is you're going to want to spray some of that stuff in there to help you agitate some of that stuff around, move it around, get it out. And if you guys do not have a shop vac, you can pick one up for cheap from the store, or if you really want to, just go to one of the local car wash places. They usually have vacuums available for you if you get a car wash done. And that way you can get access to a more powerful vacuum than just what your typical household vacuum can do. One tip I have for you guys as well is where to go. Take your toothbrush. Hair is one of the hardest things to get out of carpet with just a vacuum, so either get a large, thank you Jacob, or get 2 toothbrushes. Get one of those large like bristled scrub brushes that you can get. Hey, it's my wifey.
Get the bristles.
She's the reason. See all this hair? That's why it's in the carpet.
Get the bristle.
Use a bristle, and you brush the hair out of the carpet, and you'll actually get it all collected on here, and you can vacuum it up. It makes it a lot easier. Next thing, guys, is 303 product. I actually use it and spray it across all of the plastic panels. The Protectant is good for UV protectant, but it is also good for cleaning too. So just spray it across the whole vehicle. She's back. She's back again. Spray your whole vehicle with this on all your panels except for the glass and the actual screens on whatever your dashboard is. Just use this for all the plastic panels. It's really good at making it have a matte shine to it without being like greasy like Armor All does, but it also protects it and cleans it at the same time. Alright, so now all the panels are wiped down and the floor is completely vacuumed up. I use this stuff called Invisible Glass, or if you're retro, Stoner's Glass Cleaner. This stuff is a really good glass cleaner. I've always been using this. You can pick it up pretty much anywhere. Walmart, any Advanced Auto, pretty much everywhere has this stuff now. After you wipe down your panels, I recommend wiping them down first with the 303, then clean your glass because the 303 stuff will kind of leave spots on your window if you don't do them last. So, time to clean the windows. When you spray it on, it kind of crackles like pop rocks, which is kind of neat, but also it is safe for window tint, which keep in mind, Windex and stuff like that, do not use on window tint because the ammonia will actually kind of destroy it. So if you have window tint on your car, get up something that's specific for cleaning glass on a car, like this stuff. Seats, guys, I still use my 303 aerospace protectant on all of my leather as well. It will also protect it, but it also does a good job of removing any stains or anything like that. Like right here we have a little bit of probably some sort of sticky water liquid. Alright guys, and that is how I clean my minivan. It is a disaster zone most of the time, but that's what happens when you have kids, and I'm sure you guys can relate that have kids as well. If you like today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. I will be doing a more in-depth kind of cleaning video with my Mercedes, which is a non-kids eating type of car. So if you guys that are more sports car enthusiasts, make sure you guys look out for that video and subscribe below, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.